Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Gemini chats with Google Takeout step by step clearly. To backup your Gemini chats with Google Takeout, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Takeout website by typing takeout.google.com in the address bar. If prompted, sign in with the Google account associated with your Gemini chats. Once signed in, you'll see a list of Google services. Scroll down to find the option for Google Chat. Check the box next to Google Chat to select it. Once selected, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Next Step button to proceed. In the next window, you can choose your preferred file type. Select the file format and maximum size for your backup. Choose how you want to receive your download link. You can opt for a link via email or add it to your drive. After making your selections, click on the Create Export button. Google will begin to gather your chat data, which may take some time. You will receive a notification when the export is ready. Check your email or Google Drive based on your earlier selection for the backup link. Once you receive the link, click on it to download your archived Gemini chats. Save the file in a location that is easy for you to access. Your Gemini chats are now successfully backed up using Google Takeout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.